Hello friends, welcome to our channel Cloud Learners. In this video today, we will be going to see how we can install AWS CLI on Windows system. So for doing this, just type on the Google search install AWS CLI on Windows. Click on the very first link. Okay, as you can see, AWS CLI comes in two flavor like one version 1 and version 2 will be preferring version 2. So let's click on this Windows, and here you can see an MSI link. Just click on it, download it. So I'm using 64-bit version of Windows, so please check your version before downloading. Okay, now from here let's right click and install it. So as you can see, the installation screen has come up. It is preparing to install. Okay, so it is computing space requirement for the installation. So I'm keeping some portion of video, and okay, so it has completed the space requirement now. It took a bit of time. Okay, now click on next. Accept, yes. Next, install, and here you go. The installation is about to begin. So again, it went into computing space requirement stage. Okay, installation has started now. So it is validating install now. Just okay, updating component registration. So it is taking too much time in getting installed. If it could be a Linux system, probably the installation could be faster. Okay, finally it is installed now. Let's click on finish. Let's try to verify if the software is installed properly or not. So let us issue AWS CLI dash dash version command on the command prompt. It is, I guess. Okay, so the right command is AWS dash version. So as you can see, it has installed CLI AWS CLI version 2.7.4. So that's it, friend. Thank you.